OBS Chevys. Seems like there's a lot of talk about them, but what makes them so special? Today, we're breaking down why these trucks are getting popular again, some of their weak spots, and why these platforms are some of the best for a do-it-yourself custom build. Welcome to Garage Talk. So what is an OBS? OBS stands for Old Body Style, and we're talking about the 1988 to 98 Chevy and GMC C and K series pickup trucks built on the GMT 400 platform. This happens to be a 94 C 1500. These trucks were everywhere back in the day, and now they're becoming legit classics. These trucks are simple, tough, yet easy to work on. You could even get options like factory AC and power windows, along with having a more modern ride quality. The aftermarket support is huge. Whether you want to bag it, lift it, or just simply restore it, these trucks make a great platform. Plus, of course, nostalgia. A lot of us grew up seeing these trucks riding down the road every day, and now we're able to build them the way that we want. But let's be honest, nothing's perfect, and these trucks do have their weak spots. From the occasional wiring issues due to bad grounds, very brittle interior trim, occasional rust on the rockers and cab corners, and engines that weren't known for making a lot of horsepower. However, with the power of YouTube and the aftermarket support, all of these issues can be addressed and fixed relatively easy. So I'm curious, drop a comment below. What has been a problem on your OBS? Is it rust, wiring, trim? Let us know. That is where the do-it-yourself part comes in. A shop would charge thousands to gut and replace an interior like this. But with a few basic hand tools, you can reuse and refinish most everything in here. That's the over-budget approach. Spend a little bit of time and a little bit of elbow grease before you spend all your money. Which is exactly what we're doing on our OBS. We tore the whole interior out ourselves, repainted, refinished all the plastic trim panels, and we're getting close to putting everything back together with a custom audio system and our fresh parts. So that is why OBS Chevys are special. They're simple, there's a ton of aftermarket support, and they're a blank canvas for builders like us. Plus, you can still pick these things up at a reasonable price. If you're into DIY builds, be sure to subscribe and follow along on our truck, where next time we'll be putting all that fresh interior back in this thing.